We wanted an outfit or a team that had both the design and the construction element. We just thought that that would make it easier for the teams to work hand in hand. We really liked the fact that they had a showroom. It made it easy for us when you can kind of touch and feel, what you're going to get. That was important. But the other thing is it really kind of cut down in us doing all the runaround. When I think about the construction experience, it was very positive. The previous kitchen had to be demolished. And one of the things they did right away is they built up some walls, and they really kind of confined the new kitchen space so that way there was no dust, nothing was getting into the rest of the house. They went out of their way to make sure that we could still function normally. And what I mean by that is they built us a sink with running water so we could actually cook. My wife could do the dishes. Without a kitchen, it's kind of tough to kind of maintain your style of life. The foreman made us feel very comfortable. We could ask any questions we wanted. He kept us up to date on everything. On a daily basis. That's a good feeling to have, to know that people are, are crossing their T and dotting their I's. When you take on this kind of project, we kind of had an idea of what we wanted. It was the type of thing that, when we see it, we'll know it. And so I got to tell you, they were unbelievably patient. They were very good. They listened extremely well. We went through so many iterations, but at the end of the day, we settled on something that we loved. It was exciting to see the place kind of come together. And so it was really kind of neat to see all the different people come in here and do what they needed to do in order to make it happen. And obviously for us, seeing the finished product, it was awesome. We loved it.